Всем здорово, с вами Гидра 94, сегодня тест на психику про аниме. Попробуй не засмейся челлендж. Аниме on crack. Нет, аниме Вейнс, пардон. Молодец, 28к собрал.
It's been 84 years.
Kids, huh? It's ringing.
Don't you think that's a little extreme? You can't put somebody out of business just because you're jealous. I'm not jealous. What does he have that I don't have, aside from the fangirls, and the pretty hair, and those gorgeous green eyes? Don't forget my sweet ass. Yeah, and a sweet ass, but other than that, he's got nothing.
What's going on with Harry's broomstick?
Заговаривает метлу.
You
Cute.
might be wondering why the red suit. Well, that's so bad guys can't see me bleed. This guy's got the right idea. He wore the brown pants.
А, это из трейлера Дэдпула.
Daddy needs to express some rage.
Хо-хо-хо. Seriously?
You little bastard! I'll kill you!
And now you're going to die.
What the?
My nigga. Yo.
Randy Orton slithering. Watch out! Watch out!
Как Джон Сина. Все еще играет. Не вырубается.
Just look on the bright side. How could this get stupider than it already is?
Hey, you kids want to be on fire?
You're going to love this. Trust me. What you're seeing now is my normal state. This is a Super Saiyan. And this...
Голден Фредди, блин.
One of them is in the booth with me right now, folks. He is leveling one of those glove devices at me now, and I believe he is about to electrocute me. I am currently wetting my pants.
Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you.
Stranger danger!
Все еще есть трейлер Дэдпула.
I'm touching myself tonight.
look like an avocado had sex with an older avocado.
Thank you.
It's a beautiful day. Can't stop myself from smiling.
Vegeta, what does the scouter say about his power level? It's over 9,000! What, 9,000? There's no way that can be right!
I get it. You gave the man porn.
Предатель.
You're back.
What are you talking?
Give up the boy. Nothing fair ever came out of the barrel of a gun.
Is this because you can only see one half of my face when I'm talking to him?
Harvey, where did you go? Two-Face is back and he looks super pissed.
Yeah. Because I'm Harvey Dent.
Nice try, Two-Face, but your tricks won't work on me. I'm the world's greatest detective.
He knows what happened to me, right?
Harvey, now you're...
Shut the fuck.
Alright, now lose it. Just lose it. Go crazy.
Да что ж такое? Сейчас никак телефон не вырубит. А, все. С трудом, но выдержал этот челлендж. Напишите в комментариях, выдержали ли вы. Давайте до следующего видео.